How to use dark mode in Google Docs. That's what we're going to do in today's video, but first make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have. And also make sure to watch our previous videos and tutorials. We have playlists for each app, and let's get started. So if you searched for dark mode in Google Docs, you're not gonna find it because it's not built in the web app. So what we're going to do for today is using a dark mode extension from Google Web Extension. So if you don't know, Google Chrome has some extensions that you can use and find from the three dots here. Go to more tools and extensions to find all your extensions. So for today we're gonna search for a new extension. Go to Chrome Web Store. We're gonna search it for Google. Click on Google Chrome Web Store and search here in the store for Google Docs Dark, and then click on it. And as you can see, there are three options here. You can try each one if it works for you. I'm gonna try the third option, which is Google Docs version 2. Click on add extension and add extension to Chrome. And when you add extension, you should wait for it to be installed. And when it is installed successfully, all you gotta do is go back to Google Docs. We pinned it right now in the panel, and go back to Google Docs, and then go to the extension and click on turn on. Now as you can see, dark mode is turned on. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.